Yeah, let's make a quick design. Niyamoda is the name, and today we are going to recreate this particular design. This design is for Technoville headquarters on IG, Technoville HQ on IG. Okay, so I want to show you how to create this background, how to create these shapes, and how to put it together to be beautiful. So I'm going to pick a shape here. First, I'm going to pick the color that we're going to be using. So the first color here is what we're going to pick. Okay, then I'm going to copy this. I'll put it very close to it. I'm going to pick the second color, which is going to be the dark version of the green. They are not the same. Then I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to pick the third color, which is the yellow. You get. Then I'm going to copy it. I'm going to pick the fourth color, which is going to be the gray. All right, so I have this. Yes, this one we can make it a little bit darker. All right, so that's what we have now. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video and let me show you exactly how to create this. So I'm going to first of all make all these one as one object. That is, I'm going to merge them together. I've done that now. I'm going to reduce it and put it right there. I'll click here now and make the background to be the first background, which is this one here. All right, then we are going to create some shapes. So the first is going to be a circular shape. I'm going to use the dark version of the green. All right, which is this one right here. So there are three circles. We have one circle here. We're going to reduce it. We have one circle here. All right, then we have another circle here. Okay, then we have another circle touching this one like this. All right, then we have squares. So different square shapes like this. One is going to come like this. So we're going to put it here like this. All right, and we're going to change the color to that color. No, not this one. This one. All right, then we are going to have another one here. So we'll copy this one. We have another one here. All right, then we'll copy this one. We have another one here. Okay, like this. All right, then we'll copy this one. We have another one here. Okay, then we'll copy this one again. We have another one here. So that, okay, here like this, put it like this. Then we'll copy it again. We have another one here. Okay, then we would also copy this one. We have one here. Like this. We have one here. Yes, we have one here. Okay, so let's just put this ones here. We're going to fix it. So let's put one here. I'm seeing like there is one guy here. All right, then there's another guy here. Something like that. Okay, so let's leave it like this. All right, that is we have created these guys. So let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's merge everything together. Okay, let's merge everything together. So we have used it. We didn't add the circle, so let's add the circle. So let's add the circles. All right, so the circles have been added. So now we have that background. Then remember to bring this guy to the front. Now I want to create the shape that we're going to be using for the um image. So we have first and foremost a half circle. So we're going to rotate the half circle like this. So just come here, change the color to the yellow. So we have this half circle here. All right, we reduce it, half circle here. It's going to be somewhere there. All right, then we will copy it. Then we have a full circle. So we'll come here and change this one to a full circle. For this full circle, we're going to put it inside this one like this. Something like that, okay? Then we have another one. This one is going to be also a half circle. All right, the color is still going to be yellow. Don't forget to like this video. All right, then we're going to stretch it out like this. Okay, so it's going to come like this. We'll stretch it out again, put it there, still stretch it out. So we have something like this. It's okay like that. All right, then let's stretch it out again. So I have something like this. You get that now? So they will copy it. All right, we'll copy it and put it there again. So that is all for the shape. So all we need to do now is to put all these guys one, two, three, four at the center. Sorry, at the center like this. All right, then we'll mesh them together. We'll mesh them together. So click 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Don't forget to like the video, and then you can share with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So then let's come to the center now. You can see it's at the center now. Okay, I hope you're following us. So we've created the shape and everything as we want it. So we can hide this one now. Now, how do we put this image from behind? How do we put this image from behind? To do that, we have to mesh this guy with, so we're going to come here. We'll click here. Then we're going to create a background. Now, this background color is going to be the color of this green, the first green. Then we're going to bring this one now to the front like this. All right, then we're going to bring these, so we're going to mesh these two together. When we mesh them together, it becomes one background. Then we're going to come here and bring this one to the front. Are you getting me now? Then we're going to mesh all of them together. So that is 1, 2. We'll mesh them together again. If we do that, this is what we're going to get. That means we can now remove this yellow. The yellow background can be removed now. So I can come here now and select the yellow background. I can remove it. If I remove it, all I need to do is go to this background here and select yellow. If I do that, that means I can actually now bring the image from behind. That is, I can come here now and I can bring this image from behind. So that it's not looking like, look at the edges. So this edge can actually now go inside. So all I need to do is to stretch it out like this. Okay. Stretch it out. After I've stretched out, you can look, because this is AI, there's a problem there, but we're going to cover it anyways. So actually remove the background using AI. So I'm going to click on back like this. Then I'm going to push it down a little. All right, like that. Then I'm going to come over here and cover that hand that is looking like a double hand. So I will just add a little radius here. Put this one here. Bring it somewhere here. Then take this one here. Then bring it here. Okay. Take this one a little bit at the up top here. Bring this one here. Just small here. So after that, we can select the color. The color is going to be this color right here. You seen that now? All right, so you see that we're done. Don't forget to like the video so I can bring in all the other things I want to bring in, like this one here. I can put it there. This is good. Then I can come here and I can write here. I think this is the theme of the conference. The Renaissance. Okay, so I can come here. I can change the color to white. All right, then I can come here. I can bring a, let's look for, yes, this one here. Still want something very, very light though, but let's leave this one. All right, then I come here and I'll click this guy here. So yeah, I'm gonna write evolve dot tech techno villa technoville headquarters.com. All right, do it to like the video, and then I'm going to bring it here. Just increase it a little and add a bold to it. All right, then here, just copy this one here. Right here, just write the word speakers. Do it to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I just showed you how to create background, right, from scratch. You see, we did not download any background. I just showed you how you can create your own background. And sometimes you're saying that I want a background for this. You can actually create it, my friend. You can create it. All right, so I'm just going to put this guy here. So it's just a basic thing. You can actually create your own background the way you want it. So I'm going to put this guy here. Do it to like this video, then share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. My name is Nii Amuda, and I'm happy that you are here learning. I'm going to put a shape around a line actually here. So click here, click, bring it here like this. Sorry, not that. Okay. All right, so just adjust this guy. All right, my name is Nii. Do it. Have you liked the video? All right, so yeah, we're just gonna click, come here. Name is Naomi. So I'm gonna put Naomi Brown. Then I'm gonna write on L, take it down, on a personality. Personality Bonnie FM. All right, so I'm gonna take this one like this, cut it, and put this guy here. Then come here, increase the let's use, what is this guy now? Right, do it to like, subscribe. Let's use this. All right, so just increase it, put it there, increase it, put it there. All right, so copy this one and paste it here for the name. All right, so you see that it's a very simple design, but it took us time. The reason why it has to take this time, because I want you to follow. I want you to get it. I want you to understand exactly how we got it. So this is it. You can see how sweet it is. So look at the original. This is what we created. So tell me the difference. Like the video and tell me where you're watching from. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Nia Moda, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to register for my course, I'm going to teach you how to get any kind of design, how to create awesome designs. It's called the church flyer design. It's going to teach you how to create any kind of flyer. Yes, just click the first link in the description. You're going to get access to that course for just 10,000 naira today. It used to be 15,000 naira, but now it's 10,000 naira. Send me a DM to register now. My name is Nia Muda, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.